What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and I don't know if your family ever plays this game or not, but Cade loves it. He's like, what's your favorite food? Or what's your favorite meal? And mine is lobster, and yours is?
Steak.
Which pairs perfectly together. And I always think of surf and turf as somewhat of a celebratory meal. And we have a lot of things to celebrate lately. We just celebrated 12 years of marriage.
Happy anniversary.
Yes, and Cade passed his first grade, so he's officially in second grade.
He is very excited.
Very, very excited about that. And we are departing Maryland.
Yeah.
New adventures are around the corner for us, so lots to celebrate. Yep, which brings me to today's meal. I am going to be making a surf and turf with lobster tails and some steak fillets.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get us started, I have about 1.5 inch thick fillets here, and to prep them before we get them on the griddle, I'm going to make sure that I pull out as much moisture as possible with a paper towel from all sides. I want to get a nice sear on here, and you know, when you think about all the steak seasonings out there, and there are some really good ones, my favorite is just salt and pepper. So that's what we're going with today.
That's because it's the best.
I get it from Spencer. I've got the griddle set to high. I'm gonna get some oil down before we add our fillets. I'm going to add the fillets salt down, and then I will salt and pepper the other side once it's on the griddle. Even though our fillets are 1.5 inches thick, they're not gonna take too long, probably about 3 or 4 minutes on the other side. While they're cooking, I'm going to get our lobster tails ready. Because I'm topping our fillets with the lobster meat, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lobster meat up before getting it on the griddle. All right, it's time to flip our steaks.
Oh yeah.
Smells so good.
We got a nice crust on there.
Our steaks are ready. It's time to pull them off the griddle. They look fantastic, and if you could smell what we smell, you'd be over here for dinner right now. Look at that. All right, we're gonna let our steak rest for a few moments and get our lobster on the griddle. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil down and some butter. I'm gonna add some garlic to our butter and our lobster. Our lobster is ready. This looks fantastic. All right, we are gonna plate up our steaks, and then we're gonna add some of this beautiful, tasty lobster meat on top.
Hot lobster.
Nice and ready. All right. To accompany our surf and turf, I'm going to make a quick little caprese salad. I've got some spinach leaves in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of our olive oil, some halved tomatoes, and mozzarella balls. Give this a nice little mix up. A little bit of salt, or a little bit of pepper, and some salt. We are gonna finish our steaks and our lobster off with a little bit of butter drizzle. And we are ready for dinner. Surf and turf, you can't go wrong with that. This meat looks so delicious. Smells fantastic.
It's perfect. Well
Thank you. It's really, really good.
The steak is cooked perfectly medium, at least how I like it.
No, I like the lobster too. Breaking it up and putting it on the top, it just helps you be able to get it in a little bit in every bite.
Yeah.
And the way it textured, you know, with the butter on it and the garlic just adds that extra flavor to it.
We'll give the salad a try, even though I could deal
your
with the meat and be good to
more
go.
meat. Well, thank you for tuning in. We always appreciate you watching. Make sure you ring that bell so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks like
Todd, Betty, Nate, CJ, Bruce, Taylor, Matt, and us.
That's right.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.